Google has officially teased the Pixel 10 Pro, and yes, we finally got our first real look at the device before its grand unveiling on August 20th. The teaser comes in the form of a short 13-second video posted on the Google Store website. It opens with the number 10 inches transforming smoothly into the Pixel's iconic camera bar, confirming what we've all been waiting for. The next-gen Pixel is coming, and it's going to be the Pixel 10 Pro. One of the standout details? A temperature sensor built right into the camera bar, located just beneath the LED flash. That's right, Google's bringing back that unique hardware feature first seen on the Pixel 8 Pro, and it looks more refined this time around. But what really caught our attention is the new colorway Google's introducing. It's called Moonstone, a cool soft blue-gray tone with a touch more vibrance compared to last year's hazel green. Combined with those shiny metallic side rails, the Pixel 10 Pro is already giving off a more premium and polished look than its predecessors. And it's not just eye candy. Google is also rolling out an exclusive offer for new email subscribers. If you sign up on the official Pixel 10 landing page, you'll receive a promo code that becomes active starting August 20th, right when the phone goes live. The code is good until September 4th, 2025, or while supplies last, and it's valid globally, suggesting that this might be a worldwide release for the Pixel 10 lineup. But keep in mind, the deal is strictly for new subscribers, and the promo code is one-time use only on eligible Pixel 10 devices. It won't work on other Google products or services. With the launch just weeks away, the big question remains, can the Pixel 10 Pro go head-to-head with Samsung's latest Galaxy lineup? From what we've seen so far, Google seems ready to compete. We'll get all the answers on August 20th, so stay tuned. This is going to be a launch worth watching.